AI brain. I think already I have given the glimpse about this AI brain. How it is going to work is, and simply people need to give all the all the details. So what are the details you need to give? Let me show you. And simply go here, click on the AI suit. We are come up with the amazing of the futures. Now we are sending the automation of WhatsApp messages, right? Whatever you set up already, that is only sending. In the next particular phase, we are bringing the live particular of the so WhatsApp automations with these details. If somebody go and ask the in the WhatsApp itself a demo, automatically AI agent going to send the demo link for them directly. The particular AI agent going to understand the customer requirement in the WhatsApp itself. Now it is in the website. Now it is in the chatbot. But next in the phase, it is going to understand with the AI agents. You can see it is coming next. So all the one you people going to experience. You no need to worry. So first it is the one AI brain. Now it is already available and you people can able to use it. Click on the add. You people need to add the memory. Suppose you are the one running insurance business, you can able to add all the insurance details. Whenever somebody asks the details inside of your landing page, it is going to answer. So if you people want to add the frequently asked questions, what is the price starting with the term insurance, you people can able to add the answer, it is going to reply. And if you people have any files with the in-depth of the content related to your business, then you can able to add here, it is going to understand and send. This is a real power of AI. All the details already I have added here, people can able to check it out. So with these details, it is taking and it is sending. So memory I have added 6, frequently asked questions I have added 16, and files I am adding with the 1. So this is a power of AI brain. And this AI brain you can able to connect with the chatbots right now, and future people can able to connect with the WhatsApp, Instagram, and all the particular of the things.